Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, tire pressure monitoring system, skid plates, engine block heater, Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.